Hello, I'm Dr. Elizabeth Blair, and I'm going to go over how your visits will be and how to expect or who to expect and when you go down to deliver your baby at St. Vincent's Birmingham and how that works in our practice. First of all, during your pregnancy, you'll be seen by our board-certified OB doctors and nurse practitioners at each visit. Upon your arrival, whenever you get ready to have your baby, most likely you'll be delivered by one of our physicians at St. Vincent's Birmingham. You'll rotate through and see everyone. We want you to meet everyone. Sometimes you don't meet everyone, but almost with all our pregnancies, we've been able to provide a chance for you to meet all of our providers in the practice. When you go into labor though, you will need, or if you have a problem, you'll need to proceed to St. Vincent's Birmingham downtown. They have an OB emergency room there. It's a state-of-the-art facility that has the latest medical equipment and compassionate nursing staff to help care for you and your baby at the time that the baby's decided to get here. There's a 24/7 OB emergency room that is staffed with nurses, but also OBGYNs who are employed by the hospital. Those are doctors that are laborists. They're there to be there 24/7 to help us. So they work in the OB emergency room, and if we're there during the day, we'll pop over and check on you as well. And then if you're in labor, we're there to help you when you're in labor. And the laborists actually help us. So if we need an extra hand when you're in labor, like if you have to have a C-section, those doctors come and help us. Or if two of you decide to have a baby at the exact same time, and yep, that happens sometimes, and I can't be in two rooms at the same time, then I'll be in one room and the laborist will very kindly step in the other room and deliver your baby, and let me tell you, you'll be happy to have someone there to deliver your baby. So we're glad to have the help from the laborists, and they're also all board certified. So also sometimes in the chance that you get to the hospital and I can't get there in time because your baby has decided to make a very speedy arrival, the laborists are there 24/7. They're also there in the case of an emergency. So they're our backup, they're our safety valve, and we're also very happy that they're there. But the laborers don't deliver most of our babies, we deliver them, but we're very happy to have them there for their help and support. So that's how the OB emergency room and the laborist program work, and that's how it works when you come to our office, that you see everyone in the office. So hopefully you'll have one of our providers delivering you. We do share a call right now with one other group on site with a practice, but that doctor only has that practice only has one doctor in his facility, and so he does share a call with us, so there's a chance that you might be delivered by that physician. But all groups in town share a call with other groups, so there is that chance as well. So that's how our delivery policy works. Also, if you just want more information about St. Vincent's Birmingham, if you're not familiar with that facility, or just how labor process goes in general, there's a free resource that I recommend all of our pregnant women go through called Monogram Maternity. You'll get a tour, you'll get a little bit more information about what you would like during your delivery, and it's free. And so I recommend you go through that. There's also special resources available for patients that think they might need some NICU or NICU resources, or if you're Hispanic speaking, we have special assistance programs and a course referral for patients who speak primarily Spanish. And please don't ask me to say that in Spanish right now because I don't do that very well. But we do have providers that speak Spanish, and we have a wonderful interpreter that works at the hospital that helps us with those as well. And once again, I want to welcome you to our practice and thank you for choosing to use us. You have many choices in town, and we really enjoy the privilege of taking care of you and your baby.